Good morning, Bat community. Justin here from the Avant-Garde collection, doing another quick video on our 1997 993 C4S. We've got it prepped today for ice blasting, and I wanted to show you kind of what happens. So this is the before. Well, maybe I should show you the machine first. So this is our cold jet machine. We also use this product, which is dry ice pellets. Okay, it goes into the machine, and then a huge compressor pumps it through. We need this big a compressor because it has to be constant. It can't build up compression. So what we see in the bottom of these cars is a lot of cosmoline, and then it ages, and then it gets kind of an older look, right? And it kind of looks burnt and caked. But then I want to show you what it happens when you clean it. Everything comes off. We do the tops of these too. I mean, amazing stuff. Got a little bit more to do right there. But we clean all of these parts of the suspension, all the parts behind, and we go all the way up. Here's another little before and after. This is before. This is what you see. Most cars are gonna look like this, okay? And this is after the dry ice. Aluminum, it's not like acid. It's just like it was brand new. Amazing stuff. You're also gonna do the back side of these wheels. So I will show you guys the end product when we're completely finished. Thanks again for following along.